Right now, companies are throwing AI at every problem they have. Customer service, AI. Documents, AI. Decisions, AI. Workflows, AI. And quietly, a lot of these projects are wasting huge amounts of money and time. Not because AI is bad, but because it's being used in the wrong places. Today I'm going to show you the biggest mistake companies make with AI and how to know when you should not use AI at all. Hi, I'm Gerard. I work in business process automation and I'm also a Camunda Champion. I keep saying the same pattern in organization after organization. Everyone wants AI. Very few people know where it actually belongs. So let's fix that. We are in a moment where executives feel pressure to do something with AI. You probably heard sentences like, we need an AI strategy. How are we using AI internally? Can we add AI to this project? And suddenly, every problem starts to look like an AI problem. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Many business decisions were already solved years ago with simpler, cheaper, and reliable technology. Yet, companies are now replacing simple decision logic with expensive AI systems because AI sounds more innovative. This creates a very strange situation. Teams are using a chainsaw where a kitchen knife would work better. Here's the simple mental model that fixes everything. There are only two types of decisions in business. The first one is structured decisions. These are decisions where the data is structured, the logic is clear, the rules are explainable, governance matter. Examples: pricing rules, eligibility checks, compliance decisions, risk thresholds, approval, workflows. These decisions follow logic like, if this condition is true, then do this. They are predictable and repeatable. The second type of decision is unstructured decisions. These are decisions where data is messy, context matter, language is involved, there is ambiguity. Examples: reading documents, understanding emails, customer requests, predictions, clarifying text or images. These are fuzzy, human-like problems. And this is where AI shines. This is the part nobody talks about. If your decision is structured, explainable, and governed, AI is often the wrong choice. Yes, really. Let's look at examples. Let's take the first examples. Compliance rules. Imagine approve a loan if income greater than X and risk score lower than Y. This must be transparent, auditable, explainable, stable. Using AI here creates black box decisions, governance nightmares, regulatory risk, higher costs. And for what? A problem that rules already solve perfectly. Let's take another example. Pricing logic. Many companies try to AIfy pricing rules, but often pricing already follows segments, thresholds, conditions, business policies. Turning this into AI removes control, make behavior unpredictable, make debugging harder. You traded clarity for buzzwords. Let's take the final example. Approval workflows. Approve if amount less than 5K and customer is premium. There is not an AI problem. This is not an AI problem. This is a rules problem. When AI replaces rules, you often get less trust, less control, more complexity. It feels advanced, but it's actually worse engineering. Now, let's be fair. There are areas where AI is absolutely transformative. AI is amazing when the problem is messy, like reading contracts, understanding emails, classifying support tickets, extracting information from documents, predicting behavior, natural language processing. Why? Because you cannot realistically write rules for these problems. You can't write rules for, does this email sounds angry? Is this document a contract? Is the claim suspicious? This is where AI creates massive value. Here's the big mistake companies make. They try to force AI into rule-based problems. And at the same time, the hard-code complex logic that should be managed as decisions. So they end up with AI where rules should exist, code where decision should exist. It's the worst of both worlds. Smart automation is not about using AI everywhere. It's about using the right tool for the right decision. Before you use AI, ask 3 questions. Is the data structure? Does the decision need to be explainable? Does governance or compliance matter? If the answer is yes, start with rules. If the answer is no, AI might be the right tool. This simple check can save months of work and huge budgets. AI for sure is powerful, but using it everywhere isn't smart, is expensive. The real competitive advantage is knowing when not to use AI.